Hello everyone. So in this video, I am presenting to you the nuances of the group discussion, the first task of the group testing series in SSB. I'll be covering all the aspects of the group discussion as administered during SSB and thereafter important tips as to how to tackle GD in the SSB. At the end of the video, I'm going to make a very important announcement for the aspirants, which will help them immensely in their pursuit of cracking SSB. So sit tight and stay tuned. Good luck and Godspeed. Right, so although GD looks like a simple task wherein you talk, public discuss on generic topic. However, there are a number of inputs pertaining to your overall personality which gets reflected in your behavior and conduct. Now, this being the first task, GTO will get the first impression. So remember, almost everyone will make a good first impression, but only a few will make a good lasting impression. Now, therefore, understanding nitty-gritty of GD is critical to give optimum performance. Now, let's look at each point one by one. Informal exchange of views. That means there is no need to counter others but engage in a healthy, friendly discussion. Topic of common interest and generic in nature. So therefore, update yourself with general awareness, current affairs topics with relevant facts and figures for last 2-3 years. It's not a debate, so therefore no altercation debate with candidates speaking on other leads. Remember, it's his or her opinion. Let it be, even if you are not convinced. There's no chairman. That means there is no moderator, so you have to moderate your own behavior, your own self. You do not have to take sides. That means if candidates fall in different subgroups as per leads, you need not necessarily take sides with a larger subgroup. You do not have to come to a conclusion. The group doesn't have to conclude and finalize the best lead, but only exchange views limited to these leads only. Now to start with, the two topics are given out by the GTO in one go. Thereafter, the group gets roughly a minute to finalize the topic for discussion. The candidates who give sound logic in support of topic to be discussed would surely get noticed by the GTO first. So generally what happens, you get two topics, one is national and another one is international. However, this may not be the same case every time. Both may be national or both can be international also. However, the second topic will always be a social topic. Now let's see what kind of topics can come. Now issues concerning country in general like reservation, economy, defense, agriculture, various government schemes, projects, constitutional amendments, latest policies, etc., which impact our day-to-day lives and they are of concern. The topic will focus on the impact at national level and their repercussions. As far as international is concerned, issues concerning world in general like economy, trade, bilateral relations, terrorism, cybercrime, oil, United Nations, regional conflicts, various arms deal. So therefore, you all must compile a list of all probable topics, both national and international. Thereafter, prepare your notes with all facts and figures, the content, which will be of immense help during your discussion. Now let's see what kind of social topics can come. Now, topics such as related to crime against women, value and ethics, discipline in the society, gender equality, empathy towards the victims, corruption, women empowerment, which affect our social well-being and day-to-day lives. Now, these are very sensitive and controversial issues. Now, this reflects on your ability to analyze social problems rationally without any prejudices and to look for solution logically rather than being critical of it. Now the selection of topic by the group, you must quickly come out with logic about relevance and importance to the nation oblique world as the case may be to support the topic. Try to support a popular topic, giving good logic which most would know rather than topic which is slightly tough. Because ultimately during voting, candidates will vote for the easier and popular topic rather than difficult ones. Now let's understand the topic. Now it is generally the background about the topic in brief to give clarity and make it easy to comprehend and grasp. Thereafter, the issue in particular on which the opinion oblique views will be sought during the discussion. Thirdly, the candidate's opinion on the best solution oblique option oblique reason for the issue at hand is asked for. And finally, the three leads are given to help the candidates to participate by aligning with any lead which he feels would be the most important reason oblique solution. Now, leads also help keeping discussion within bounds. Now, let's look at one of the examples. India is a vast country, and every year we have floods and famine in different parts of the country. Now, this problem may be solved by interlinking of the rivers in the country. Now, what, in your opinion, is the biggest hurdle faced in interlinking of the rivers? Is it the political will, the funds, or is it the environmental concern? Okay, now let's have a look at the important tips for the group discussion. Now, it's your manner as well as matter which is going to count. You must maintain a confident, warm, and friendly body posture. Your body language should be encouraging and receptive of the others. You should be flexible in your approach in appreciating others' divergent views. Learn to develop social tact to handle difficult people and situations, coordinating to keep it a friendly and informal exchange of views. Should have excellent oratory skills like voice modulation, pitch, vocabulary, and correct grammar is also very crucial. You should have the ability to appreciate others' point of view. As far as matter is concerned, shortlisting of burning topics for last 2-3 years is very important. Then preparing content notes with relevant facts and figures, practicing delivery of such topics in logical sequence, learning and practicing how to organize your thoughts before speaking. While delivering your views, maintain good flow of ideas to keep others captivated and interested. Should have the ability to generate new line of thought instead of being repetitive. A few more important tips. Remember, it's a friendly exchange of views wherein countering others would be counterproductive. On being countered, your approach should be to tactfully dilute the stress and focus on other aspects. Remember, your effectiveness would be seen not only in your participation, but also how you give opportunity to the shy and mild candidates and also encourage them. Your ability to coordinate and control during initial 5 minutes when all are anxious to participate would be great. Now the big announcement for the aspirants. I'll be releasing regular videos with new topics for you to prepare every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. The video will have national, international and social topic each. Now we will have online practice and debriefing on the above topics after 2 days on Google Meet for maximum 10 candidates in each group. Now please register by sharing your email ID on the WhatsApp number 8004928123 for online practice on new topic every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday. The online practice will be in a group of 10 for 1 hour to include the practice, the debriefing thereafter, and finally the comments, tips and tricks.